Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is LG brand uh, smart inverter, top loading 8 kg washing machine having problem with the door assemble. That's been lid assemble already, hinge and mount broken. I want to show you how to replace that one, because this one this one here, it's already got broken, because the thing is, this machine, the lid hinges is already got rusty. Because of that only it's happening like that. Anyway, we will go to the next step and I will show you how to do that. See, you can see here, this one already broken here. Now we have to, we cannot repair this one. Actually, we have to replace this lid mount. And here, this one too much rusty came, because this one we have to change. But anyway, we will remove and check whether we can replace or we can repair. Most probably this one, after getting corrosion, we have to replace. But now I will remove this one. I will show you how to remove and how to replace this. Well, hinge cover, this one like this here, don't break. This one very simply we can remove. And also here also, yeah, it is very easy to remove. Now we will remove the hinge. If it is hinge not rotating, it's turning, that's because of that it's getting damaged lid mount. Now we can take like that. See, it is too much corroded, actually it's too much rusty. That parts, because of that, is not came. Now we can check here, this one too much rusty, actually. It's turn like that. It's no tension, but we can rotate. It's better to replace this one. See, it's very hard. Now we have to replace this too. Also, we have to remove top cover area. This one we have to remove. After that only this lid mount we can change. Now we will remove this one. I already removed this covers. Now we have to remove this two screws. And it's too much rusty, actually it's very little bit difficult to remove. Now we have to remove the back cover, two screws also. After that only we can remove the top. Now I already removed. Now we can check here. This one also, here also too much rusty. It's little bit difficult to remove, but anyway we have to remove and replace this too. And we will remove. We have to use too much rusty, actually it is little bit difficult to remove, but anyway we will try. Now we can remove, otherwise we cannot remove this screws. We cannot use again, that much it is corroded already. Now I already remove the screws. Now here we can little bit touch. Here we can hammer like that. It will come out. Here also same. Now we can take it out. See, you can see here, this all broken here. See, this one we have to replace. Okay. Now I having a lid mount too. This one it is same. It is actually it's from LG only. But anyway, we will fix this one, and it is same like that. We can fix without any problem. Now we will fix two screws here. That screws it should be actually the stainless steel, otherwise before it is already corroded, corrosion came. Because of that, I'm going to replace the screw also. This is stainless steel. Now I will fix here. Now okay, I tied the lid mount, should be like that. Now I can fix lid with the hinges. Now it should come like that. You can see here, this is the position. This is already, I'm going to replace this two. This one new, this one already broken. This one we are not able to use again, because this tension also not coming properly. Again it will break lid mount. Because of that, I'm going to replace these two hinges, and now I'm going to fix like that. Now before fixing, you have to do one thing here. You have to make this hinges this position. After that, very easy to fix. We can fix. Yeah, like that we can fix. Other side also same. Now it's okay. Now we can fix screws. Now we can fix here screw. Also, don't forget, it should be uncorroded. That's mean stainless steel screws we have to fix. Otherwise, this will get rust very quickly because of the water. Now it's okay. Now you can see here, it is okay. Now it's okay. Now we have to fix here cover, and it is simply lock only. Yeah, it will come like that. Also here. Now it's okay. Now we have to fix screws to screw here. These two nuts here. Now it's okay. Here is also backside two screws we have to fix. Now my job already completed. Now I have to check with the power. Now I will select direct spin cycle and we will check. Before it's not working actually properly because while spinning time lid assemble going here and there. At the same time the door sensor not realizing it's not accepting, because of that it's getting off automatically and showing D error. Now only motor start. Now it's showing error sorry, to the display 9 minutes remaining. Now you can see here rotating already drum. That's mean motor, drum, everything perfect, no any issue. You can see here start a spin cycle. My job already completed. We will meet with another video with very shortly. Thanks again watching my channel.